In alcohol phenol ether chapter, we have seen the reaction of alcohol. Fourth reaction is oxidation of alcohol that we have seen in last lecture. Now today see the reaction of alcohol which using the copper metal. This is also oxidation when alcohol is treated with copper metal at temperature 573 Kelvin. It gives the formation of aldehydes, ketone and alkene. These three different products because primary alcohol gives aldehyde. See here, this is primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol on treating with copper metal at 573 Kelvin. It gives the formation of aldehyde such as acetaldehyde. When we use the secondary alcohol, this is their general reaction. Secondary alcohol give ketone. See the secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol treated with copper metal at 573 Kelvin. Oxidation take place. Secondary alcohol is converted into ketone such as acetone. But when we take the tertiary alcohol, this is tertiary butyl alcohol. When it is treated with copper metal at 573 Kelvin temperature, it does not undergo oxidation. Their dehydration take place, which result into formation of 2-methyl prop 1-ene. So when alcohol are heated with copper metal, primary gives aldehyde, secondary alcohol gives ketone, but tertiary alcohol gives the formation of an alkene. Now the reactions of phenol. Phenol gives the electrophilic substitution reaction and it shows more easily than the benzene. Phenol is more reactive for electrophilic substitution reaction than the benzene. First reaction is halogenation of phenol. Halogenation means substitution by halogen atom. Phenol, when treated with aqueous solution of bromine, means when water, in presence of water, when bromine is added into phenol, it gives the formation of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. This is a phenol. The position 2, 2, 4, 6, 3 times. So tri, bromine are there. So bromo and this OH with ring phenol. So name is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. In this position, hydrogen atom removed react with Br, byproduct HBr. Same phenol when treated with bromine instead of water, when catalyst is carbon disulfide, may be used chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. It gives the formation of mixture of orthobromophenol, parabromophenols. Next, second reaction of phenol, nitration. What is the meaning of nitration? Substitution by nitro group is called as nitration. It is carried out by using HNO3. Catalyst is H2SO4. The mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4 is called as nitrating mixture. Here reaction is first with dilute HNO3. Phenol when treated with dilute HNO3 form two different product. One is orthonitrophenol, second is paranitrophenol. But same phenol when treated with, instead of dilute, concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4, these two are known as nitrating mixture. It gives the formation of 2, 4, 6 trinitro, 3 times, no, trinitro, and this is phenol, which is commonly known as picric acid. Which is commonly known as picric acid. Remember this picric acid. What is the IUPAC name? This is their IUPAC name, commonly called as picric acid. Now, sulfonation of phenol. Substitution of hydrogen atom of phenol by sulfonic group, SO3H, called as sulfonic group. It is carried out by using H2SO4. It shows the two types of the reaction. When phenol is treated with H2SO4 at lower temperature 293 Kelvin, it gives orthophenol sulfonic acid. This is orthophenol sulfonic acid. While when same phenol is treated with concentrated H2SO4 but temperature is high, that is 273 Kelvin, it gives the formation of paraphenol sulfonic acid. H2SO4 fragmented as HOSO3H, H here, OH here form water. Similarly, when second product form, here H, this OH form H2O, and SO3H group, that is sulfonic group, is substituted here. So when the two variable temperature, two different product formation take place. Next reaction is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Important reaction when phenol is treated with chloroform CaCl3 and aqueous NaOH, it form an intermediate. How this intermediate formation take place? Here this H react with this Cl, remove the HCl, group here attached, that is CHCl2. When NaOH react, this H release H2O, Na attach here. This is an intermediate, O minus Na plus CHCl2 group. Now, this intermediate when treated with again NaOH, it result into the formation of this intermediate. This CHCl2 group is converted into an aldehyde group. This remain as it is. And it undergo intermediate acid hydrolysis in which this O minus Na plus group is converted into the OH. The name of this product is known as salicyldehyde. Product is salicyldehyde. Here, if we use the catalyst CCl4 instead of CHCl3, then product is salicylic acid is formed. So how will be salicylic acid? This CHO will be COOH carboxylic group, then it is called as salicylic acid. Next reaction is Kolb reaction. In this reaction, sodium phenoxide treated with CO2, carbon dioxide, 398 Kelvin temperature, 6 atm pressure. At that time, how this reaction is carried out? This COO group attach here. Here H removed, COO attach, and this Na here. It forms CONA, and from here H go here. Form intermediate name is sodium salicylate, which undergo acid hydrolysis, and this Na is removed. Here acid hydrolysis. In acid hydrolysis we add the water, so it take H, it OH, it form a byproduct NaOH. It take the byproduct NaOH and it result into formation of salicylic acid. This reaction is given by the chemist Kolb, hence it is known as Kolb reaction. Sodium phenoxide is more reactive than phenol toward electrophilic substitution reaction. Remember, this sentence is very important. Next,